Good evening, everyone. I just finished my work and now I'm home. First, I'm putting my bag and keys on the table. It feels good to be home after a long day. Now I'm taking off my shoes and changing my clothes. I always wear something comfortable in the evening. Comfortable clothes help me relax and feel at home. Next, I'm washing my hands and face. The cool water feels really refreshing. I already feel a little less tired. Now I'm heading to the kitchen to make dinner. Let me see what I have in the fridge. Tonight, I'm making rice, vegetables, and some soup. I usually keep dinner simple and healthy. Everything is ready, so now I'm sitting down to eat. The food is warm and it smells really good. I try to eat slowly and enjoy my meal. I'm finished now, so I'm clearing the table. Next, I'm washing the dishes right away. I don't like leaving dirty dishes overnight. There we go. The kitchen looks clean again. Now I'm checking my phone for a few minutes. I have a few messages, so I'm replying to them now. I try not to spend too much time online at night. Okay, I'm putting my phone away now. Next, I'm making a cup of warm tea. While the water is heating, I'm opening the window. The evening air feels cool and peaceful. Now I'm sitting down and enjoying my tea. This is one of my favorite parts of the evening. Before bed, I like to think about my day. I'm writing down one thing that went well today. Now I'm checking my schedule for tomorrow. I have a few important things to do in the morning. I'm also preparing my clothes for tomorrow. Doing this now makes the next morning much easier. It's getting late, so I'm going to the bathroom. I'm brushing my teeth and getting ready for bed. Now I'm turning off the lights and getting into bed. The room is quiet and my body is ready to rest. That's the end of my day. Good night, everyone.